Can you tell us what is this project background?
This project, CiteAir 2, Common Information to European Air, comes from a first CiteAir project. And in this project we identified that it was really a need to provide simple and comparable information for the public at the European scale. And after the end of the project we wanted to go further, provide additional information for the public, but also tools for the local authorities to manage air quality, help them manage the air quality and inform the public.
What is happening with air quality in the European cities?
Most of the European cities are facing the big challenge to meet the European guidelines, European directives. They are all facing problems with particles, ozone, nitrogen dioxide, and they have to improve the air quality for the citizens because of their impact on health, but also because they have to fulfill the European requirement, and that's really a big challenge.
And what is the goal of this project?
The goal of the project is to provide the local authority and the public information about air quality. There is a goal for the public. We want to have the public informed at the European scale about air pollution. We want to provide them comparable information which doesn't exist at the time being, for the public, I mean, not for scientists. And we want to provide tools to help the local authorities mitigate air pollution and make also the link with climate change, because both issues are pretty much linked.
Tell us something about main activities of this project.
The main activities of this project will be to first provide a forecast of the Common Air Quality Index we have developed in the first CiteAir project. This index is made to provide simple information throughout Europe for the citizen, so they can know, for instance, today in Ljubljana what is the air quality, and if they want to go to Maribor, Paris or Rome, they can know also what is the air quality there, and that was quite important. We have for the time being the information for 80 cities, but we want for the time being every hours. But we would like to have this information for tomorrow also. What is going to be the air quality in those cities if you have to travel there or if you have to commute every day. The second tool which will be developed in the project, it's a mobility indicator, because traffic is one of the main source of pollution in most of the cities, and we wanted to have an indicator making the link between the traffic in the city but also the environmental impact of this traffic. And then the third tool which is going to be developed for the local authorities, it's an emission inventory, an inventory of the sources of air pollution, and make the link between those sources of air pollution and sources of greenhouse gases, because when the local authority wants to tackle climate change, they may take mitigation measures that could have an effect on air pollution, and therefore they need a tool to have an integrated assessment of those two issues. If I act on climate change, what's going to be the impact on air pollution? And that's the purpose of this emission inventory. All of this will be provided on the common website www.airqualitynow.eu and be made available for the public.
What would be the benefit of the project for the European citizens?
The main benefit of the project for the European citizen is to get a better understanding of their own situation for the general air quality, but also for the air quality close from the traffic, and have for the first time the comparison of their own situation with the European situation.